Next. And then just kind of lean back, and just relax like that. Lean all the way, lean back in the chair. There you go. Okay. Okay.
That went already. Okay.
All right.